Hello? Yeah, hi. How can I help you?
I'm saying that, by the way, I'm speaking to Joseph, right?
Yeah, this is Giuseppe Calavogna Baboom.
Alright. Actually, I'm doing only confirmation call, so we are not selling you anything. So, by the way, my name is Jerome. I'm calling you from Safeguard Medical. We are doing a safety survey for your community. So, by the way, do you have any smoke detectors in your home, yes or no?
I got a lot of rabbits out in the backyard.
Alright. And by the how many do you have? One and two?
Well, there was a few rabbits. I got a couple like groundhogs. You know Louis the Italian groundhog and stuff.
No, I'm just asking only just, do you have any fire alarm in your home?
I know Stairway to Heaven, but I can jam on some other stuff if you'd like.
Sorry?
Sorry about what?
I'm saying that, do you have any smoke alarm, like a smoke alarm, fire alarm in your home?
I got rabbits in the backyard.
Rabbit. I'm not talking about rabbit. I'm talking about fire alarm. Fire alarm.
I don't know. We had a fire in Night Lumber back in '63. It was pretty happening back in the day, but that was on the Bass River. You know the Bass River, right? You know Al's Bait Shop?
Yeah. So by the way, do you have any fire extinguisher in your home?
Let me check. Hang on a second. I got some rigatoni.
Sorry?
I got rigatoni, and I got I don't know. I think I probably need some more pork chops or something.
Actually, you know English, right?
Do you ever use Filippo Badio?
No, what I mean is, do you know English?
Do I know Allen Ginsberg? I guess he didn't like you, Al.